Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial health topic that affects millions of people around the world. How to recognize when your blood sugar levels might be too high and what you can do to manage it effectively. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have diabetes, so why should I worry about blood sugar? But here's the thing, understanding and managing blood sugar levels is essential for everyone, not just those with diabetes. When blood sugar stays too high over time, it can lead to serious health complications, affecting our energy, immune system, and even our heart health. Recognizing the signs early on can help us take action before it becomes a bigger problem. So, what should we look out for? Common signs of high blood sugar can include constant thirst, frequent trips to the bathroom, feeling tired even after a good night's sleep, blurry vision, and even experiencing tingling or numbness in the hands and feet. If you're noticing these signs, it could mean your body is struggling to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Now, let's talk about some easy ways to keep blood sugar in check. Start by focusing on your diet. Whole grains, high-fiber foods, and protein can help stabilize blood sugar. Try adding some gentle exercise into your routine, like walking or stretching, which can help your body use sugar more efficiently. Staying hydrated, getting quality sleep, and managing stress are also key to supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Being aware of these signs and taking small steps to manage them can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Remember, keeping our health in check starts with understanding our bodies better. Next, we are going to be talking about a topic that affects us all: blood sugar. Now, whether or not you've thought much about blood sugar before, it's actually one of the most important factors in keeping our energy steady and our bodies healthy. Let's dive into what blood sugar really is and why it matters. So, what exactly is blood sugar? Simply put, blood sugar is the amount of glucose or sugar that's circulating in your bloodstream. Glucose comes from the food we eat, especially from carbs like bread, rice, fruits, and even veggies. Once we eat, our digestive system breaks down these foods into glucose, which then enters our blood. Glucose is like fuel for our cells. It's what gives us the energy to think, move, and go about our day. Every cell in our body relies on it. Think of glucose as the body's go-to energy source. When it enters the bloodstream, the pancreas releases insulin, a hormone that helps move glucose from the blood into cells. Without this process, our cells wouldn't get the fuel they need to function, and our energy would drop. That's why having a balanced blood sugar level is so important. It keeps our energy stable and helps all our body systems run smoothly. Now, let's talk about healthy blood sugar ranges. In general, a normal blood sugar level when fasting, like before breakfast, should be between 70 and 100 milligrams a DL. After eating, it's normal for blood sugar to rise, but should ideally stay below 140 milligrams DL within a couple of hours. These numbers are just guidelines, but they're helpful because they give us an idea of what a healthy range looks like. When blood sugar stays consistently to high or to low, it can lead to health concerns. When blood sugar levels are to high over time, it can damage blood vessels and organs and put us at risk for health conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even nerve damage. On the other hand, if blood sugar is too low, it can lead to dizziness, confusion, and in extreme cases, serious complications. So, keeping blood sugar in a balanced range isn't just about avoiding spikes or drops, it's key to long-term health. Let's dive into the signs of high blood sugar. Even if you don't have diabetes, high blood sugar can still affect your energy, health, and quality of life. In this video, we'll look at 6 key signs that your blood sugar might be high, why they happen, and what they mean for your overall health. Let's dive in. One of the most noticeable signs of high blood sugar is feeling constantly thirsty and needing to go to the bathroom a lot. Now, here's what happens in your body. When there's too much sugar in the blood, your kidneys work harder to filter and flush it out. This leads to more urination, which means you're losing a lot of water and you end up feeling dehydrated. If you're finding that your mouth feels dry, you're thirsty all the time, and you're running to the bathroom more than usual, this could be a signal that your body is trying to get rid of excess sugar. It's also important to note that this can lead to a cycle of dehydration, as drinking more water to quench your thirst doesn't always help if your blood sugar levels remain high. Next, let's talk about fatigue and weakness. High blood sugar can leave you feeling tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep. Here's why. When blood sugar is too high, it means that glucose, or energy, isn't getting into your cells properly. Insulin is supposed to help glucose enter the cells to be used as fuel, but when there's too much glucose, insulin can't do its job effectively, and the cells end up starved for energy. This lack of energy at the cellular level leaves you feeling worn out, weak, and just plain tired. You might also notice that no matter how much rest you get, you still feel drained. This kind of fatigue is different from just needing a nap. It's a deep, ongoing tiredness that can affect your day-to-day life and make even simple tasks feel exhausting. Another sign of high blood sugar is blurry vision. You might notice that things look a little out of focus, even if you have good eyesight. So, what's happening here? When there's too much sugar in the blood, it can actually cause swelling in the lens of the eye, making it harder to see clearly. This swelling changes the shape of the lens and impacts your ability to focus. If left untreated, this can lead to more serious eye problems over time, like damage to the retina or even loss of vision. So, if you're experiencing blurry vision that comes and goes, it's worth checking your blood sugar levels, as it could be a sign that they're too high. Now, let's talk about feeling hungry all the time, even after eating. This is another sign that your blood sugar might be high. Here's why. When your cells aren't getting the glucose they need for energy, it sends a signal to your brain that you're hungry, even though you've eaten. Your body thinks it needs more food because the cells are still starving for energy. This can lead to a cycle of overeating, which can then cause more spikes in blood sugar. And over time, this can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. If you're noticing that you feel constantly hungry and aren't feeling full, it might be a sign to check your blood sugar levels. Another common sign of high blood sugar is slow healing wounds and frequent infections. When blood sugar levels are high, it affects your circulation and immune system. This means that your body has a harder time sending white blood cells to areas where they're needed to fight off infections or help wounds heal. If you've noticed that small cuts or scrapes take longer than usual to heal, or if you're experiencing frequent infections, this could be a sign that your blood sugar levels are too high. High blood sugar creates an environment where bacteria can thrive, making infections more likely and harder to treat. A lesser-known sign of high blood sugar is tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. This is often an early warning sign of neuropathy, which is nerve damage that can occur when blood sugar levels are too high for too long. The nerves, especially those in the extremities, are sensitive to high blood sugar, and over time, this can lead to feelings of tingling, burning, or numbness. If you're feeling these sensations in your hands or feet, especially if it's happening often, it's important to pay attention. It could mean that your blood sugar levels are higher than they should be, and it's a warning sign that shouldn't be ignored. These are just a few of the key signs that your blood sugar might be too high. If you're experiencing one or more of these symptoms, it could be a good idea to get your blood sugar checked. Remember, while these signs can be indicators of high blood sugar, they don't automatically mean you have diabetes or a serious health issue. But paying attention to your body and catching these signs early can help you make lifestyle adjustments and seek medical advice if needed. To recap, the main signs to look out for are increased thirst and frequent urination, fatigue and weakness, blurry vision, constant hunger, slow healing wounds, and tingling or numbness in the hands and feet. Keeping an eye on these can help you stay on top of your health and catch potential issues before they become serious. Thanks so much for watching and taking this time to learn more about the signs of high blood sugar. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments if you've experienced any of these signs or have questions about managing blood sugar. Your health journey is important, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.